Hi, and welcome to Story Mode 6-1 Combination Holdback Tutorial. This strat is technically a beginner strat, but also, when done correctly, the fastest strat you can do consistently. So, this one right here, great investment. You may never have to learn another strat again if you learn this one. And as far as what you want to do in order to get the strat, well, it starts off with a right frame boost into the wormhole. Now, where you want to go after the right frame boost is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4 columns of combination squares to the right of the left side. This is also 1 square to the left of the wormhole. So about here. That's about where you want to aim. Now, in real time, that looks kind of like this. Frame boost, full speed, jump, regain control, and then head over towards the goal. Now, what happened there while I was on the combination might look a little bit confusing, but it's actually quite simple. After the right frame boost and after you're aligned, right when you touch this cube, right when you touch here, there's actually a little ramp you'll notice. That ramp's gonna give you all the speed you need to, all the height rather, you need to get across. So once we touch it, I wanna start pulling back. The earlier you pull back, the more control you have after bonking on the opposite side, which lets you get to the goal faster. There I pulled back a little bit late, so I was only able to get a 53. But watch what happens if I pull back as early as I possibly can. $54. And that is the best second you can get. There is no consistent 55 combination. How early you pull back totally decides how fast you go. Let's pull back even earlier. 54. Earlier! Well, how early you pull back is up to comfort, and it does make the strat more dangerous the earlier you do it. But see, that was a 54.4. That was 0.2 faster because I pulled back as early as possible. The essence of this strat is to have confidence in the height you get off of this ramp. If you have confidence in it, you should be able to get across really, really quickly with full control of your ball, and there'll be plenty of time for you to get to the goal. No worries required. And if things go wrong, well, luckily the strat does happen immediately. So you do have plenty of time to figure yourself out and get to the goal before it starts moving. It does start moving at around 52, so at that point you need to be picking up the pace. Once it starts moving very fast, it's nearly impossible to enter the goal. But best case scenario, you regain control, you get there just in time to get a nice little 54 and move on. And as for common mistakes, let me show you what it might look like if you do the adjustment wrong. If you pull back too early, you won't have enough speed to get across, so you do want to wait until you actually touch the ramp before you start pulling back. And if you full send it without pulling back at all, this is what might happen. I actually thought it was just going to be a very awkward finish. I didn't know you could go fast enough to just die. That's kind of funny to me. So yeah, do pull back. Do not full send it. That's what will happen to you. Very good to keep an eye on that. And that's about it, yeah. Give yourself a frame boost, pull back once you hit the ramp, and then regain control and head into the goal. If you get really good at it, you can get 54, which is a very fast time on that stage. I'll see you next time, and I hope this tutorial helps.